As a company, once you've created it as the owner, you have the ability to have administrators. These admins will have the same company view as you, meaning they'll see days, dollars, they can update and track equipment, create resources and incidents. So to do that, you have a couple ways. From your roster, if you go to auto add, you can select admin and have them scan this QR code or click this link, and that will make them an admin. But if they just join your roster and you need to update, just find that individual name and hit these three dots over here, and that will bring up this submenu, and you'll see right here, set as admin. Click that, it'll verify if you want to make them an admin, and it's the same process for if they're already an admin and you want to remove them, just hit those three dots and hit remove as admin.